Are you tired of uploading YouTube videos that barely get 50 views or 100 views, even though you are trying your best? You are staying consistent, you are improving your editing skills, you are sharing your content to other social platforms, but the YouTube algorithm seems to ignore you. If that sounds familiar, don't worry, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly why your views are low and more importantly, how to fix it so the YouTube algorithm actually starts recommending your content. If you're a small YouTuber struggling to grow and your videos are constantly getting low views, you are not alone. I've been there myself, and in this video I am breaking down 5 common mistakes that stops your videos from getting more views and the exact strategies you can use to grow faster on YouTube. And in case you are wondering who I am a small creator just like you, and I recently started my channel. I have spent months studying how the YouTube algorithm works, learning from big creators and testing different strategies. I may not have hundreds of thousands subscribers yet, but I am on a journey and I am sharing this journey with you. Everything I've learned along the way, I'm sharing it so we can grow together. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get straight into it. So the first reason your video aren't performing well is that YouTube hasn't figured out who your content is for yet. Especially if you have a new or small channel. YouTube will test your videos with different audiences to try and match you with the right viewers. So if your thumbnail and title don't attract clicks, the algorithm will stop pushing your video. Simple as that. But if viewers click and watch, YouTube keeps recommending your content to more people. That is why click-through rate and watch time are crucial. Here's an example I want to show you all. This video at the time of recording got thousands of impressions, that is 56.9k impressions, but only a 3.0 click-through rate, meaning only a small percentage of people who saw it actually clicked to watch. So yes, the algorithm did its job. The title, thumbnails, or the topic just didn't convert for people to click on the video. So focus on improving your thumbnail, your title, and use relevant SEO keywords in your descriptions and tags to help you to find the right viewers faster. Moving on to number 2 is brand new channel. Now, this one surprises a lot of new creators. If you created a brand new channel and immediately started uploading, YouTube might treat your account as a bot or spam, especially if there is no prior activity. I've tested this myself. I created this channel back in December 2024 and I waited at least 3 months before I started uploading on this particular channel, and the growth is still surprising. So give YouTube time to collect data on your account, be active, go to other creators channel, watch their video, connect with them, comment on their video, like their video. This tell YouTube that you are a real person and not a bot. So you can start by liking this video and leave a comment below. Moving on to problem number 3 is quantity over quality. Let's be honest, when we are starting out, it's tempting to upload every single day to chase the numbers. But here is the truth. Low quality video or rushed video won't help you grow. So instead of posting every single day, Focus on creating high quality videos that deliver value. Moving on to number 4 is engaging with your audience. One of the huge mistakes many creators make is ignoring their comment section. If someone takes time to leave a comment on your video and you don't reply, you are missing out a huge opportunity. Let me tell you something. Not only responding builds trust and connection, but it also boosts your engagement rate. So if you have 10 comments on your video and you reply to all of them, you now have 20 comments. That tells YouTube your video is active and valuable. So please reply every single comment, especially when your channel is small. This is how you build community and boost the visibility on your content. So if you check out my videos, you will notice that every single comment is attended to. I respond to every single comment. I don't leave them hanging like that, Those are my community, so I need to engage with them. If I don't engage with them, the next time they see my video, they will scroll past it, they will not watch. So make sure you reply every single comment. That is how you build connections. So problem number 5 is sometimes the algorithm misses it. Here is the honest truth. Sometimes YouTube don't push your video even if that video is good. The algorithm isn't perfect and occasionally a video just doesn't get traction. So if after 48 hours and your video hasn't moved at all, try deleting it and re-uploading it with a new title and thumbnail on a different day or time. Sometimes a fresh push on a different day makes all difference. Alright, so that is all for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more YouTube growth tips. See you in my next video. Bye bye.